What's up guys, welcome back. Excuse the squawky birds in the background. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of the difference between all the way soft and all the way hard on my BC Racing coilovers on my Civic. I showed a few people this, they were impressed, so I'll give you a quick demo. So this is my 1996 Honda Civic. I've put some coilovers on it. You can't actually see because it's too low, and also excuse the paint. But basically, to adjust the ride height, there's like a collar on the body itself. That is, jack it up, take the wheel off, use the proper spanners, etc, etc. That's not a 5-minute job, but this is literally just a 30-second job. So just on the top here is the adjustment for the shock absorber. So at the moment it's about 20 clicks in. So all the way to the left is fully soft, and that's what we call 0. 20 clicks towards hard is where it is now, and then all the way fully hard I think is 30 or 32. So literally, if we go all the way to the left, that is fully soft. And that's as easy as that. I'm just going to give you a quick static test. And then to go fully hard is literally all the way the other way. Excuse the state of it in here. It is 27 years old. There we go. There we go, hope you found that interesting. I say I normally run it about 20 on the road, and if I go and do a track day and it's raining, I normally go to 25, and then if it's dry, normally go to 30 or pretty much flat out 32. The rears I leave on 20 all the time because it's really difficult to get to the tops of the rears, because you've either got to take the speakers out or you've got to take some of the panel and some trim out from the back. So I pretty much just leave the rears on 20 all the time. Other than that, I hope you found it interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Go and check out some of my other videos because they're a bit more interesting and better produced than this. And I'll see you on the next one.